Video masalama kumkalta December tha a Municipal Corporation of Delhi MCD in thlan nei zota ka Aam Aadmi Party in hne na han chan thu le thlani chuang zet aral hnu po a sarkar an la siam theilo thu te kan lo soi to a Seat la tlem jok BJP in Lieutenant Governor kaltlanga nominated councillor te hmanga mayor nei an tum dan te po kan soi to bok chutiang ani awanga January ni rukle January ni somni pali meeting te mayor thlang thei lovati to pani hnu in avoi thumnan February ni rukhan MCD meeting hi ko le ani a chu meeting chu pro tem mayor presiding officer Satya Sharma in nakai hruai video masalama kan soi to angin Satya Sharma hi BJP councillor Lieutenant Governor in presiding officer ata na aruat ani a Seat nei tlem jok party in presiding officer an nei dai hi anu zat thlak ang reng hle ti chuan presiding officer kai hruaina hnuaiah chuan mayor thlanna nei tura ti ani a Lieutenant Governor in BJP mi le sa councillor ata na aruat nominated councillor somte India dan pui le High Court thupekin House chunga vote nei a phalsak lo chungin BJP presiding officer hian vote theina chan vo a pe a tin chu mai chu ni lovin presiding officer Satya Sharma hian mayor thlanna nei ruala deputy mayor le standing committee member tur thlanna po nei ngal ani tur thu apuang bok danang chuan presiding officer kai hruaina hnuaia mayor thlanna nei zo ani hnua mayor thar chuan deputy mayor le standing committee member tur thlanna akai hruai thina danang nilova hetia mayor thlanna nei ruala deputy mayor le standing committee member tur thlanna nei ngal hi Aam Aadmi Party councillor ten an du lova tin danin vote theina chan vo a pek tel lo Lieutenant Governor in aruat nominated councillor te hnena vote theina chan vo pek ani hi Aam Aadmi Party lam hian an du lo bok chumi ani awang chuan house chunga bengcheng le inau buaina chuaka chu vele presiding officer Satya Sharma in house income chu tiam chin om lovati topin mayor thlanna chu nei ani le talo ani hetiang renga mayor thlanna nei theilova han kwal reng le BJP in man ro sang manga mayor nei phet antum hi Aam Aadmi Party in nasatakin an soi sela media vela soi sel mai du tok lovin Aam Aadmi Party mayor candidate Seli Oberoi in Supreme Court a ngen na siamin huntiam mumal tak chunga Delhi mayor thlanna nei ani theina na thupek chhuat turin angena chu ngen na chu Chief Justice of India DY Chandrachud tale Justice dang pahni omna bench in angai tu ngal Delhi sarkar ai o le Lieutenant Governor office lam in soifia na te ngai thla ngun taka ngai tu ani hnu in nimin zirtop ni February ni som pasari khan Chief Justice of India omna Supreme Court bench hian Delhi Lieutenant Governor office chu darkar somni pali chunge ya Delhi mayor thlan hun tur puang turin a hriat tira mayor thlanna hian ruat chop member nominated councillor 10 vote an nei theilo thu Supreme Court hian soin mayor thlanna nei zo ani hnua mayor thar kai hruaina a deputy mayor le standing committee member tur thlanna nei ani thin thu saitel bok he Supreme Court thu chuak hi Aam Aadmi Party national convener Delhi Chief Minister ni bok Arvind Kejriwal an Delhi mi puite hne na le democracy hum him na ani thu soin BJP le Delhi Lieutenant Governor in dan pui kala han du duwa ro an rel na hailan na le phormual pho na ni a angai thu atuit bok tin Aam Aadmi Party senior spokesperson Delhi MLA Saurabh Bardwaj po in Delhi Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena chu zana tlem te tal nei ani chuan zaka Lieutenant Governor ani na tanga bang dai o ma angai thu asoi ve bok hetia Supreme Court me wain rolta ka chuan Delhi Lieutenant Governor VK Saxena hian Chief Minister rotna anga February ni somni pahnia mayor thlanna nei aremti rin ani a Aam Aadmi Party lamin mayor an nei the nge ya be sei om tabok mayor thar le standing committee member thar thlanna nei ani zo hnua engtiangin nge MCD sarkar in Delhi khopui thiang hlim tur le vongfai turin ma alak zelang ti te kan thlir chho zel tur anga ila chumi rual chuan ram chunga thil thleng poimo dang te le politics chan chin thar hrang hrang te po thlir chho chhun zom zel kan tum bok don nia tuna ta ne ro chuan heti chin hi ni le ri phot se next video en hmu le theu kan tum don nia chumi ma chu mang tha le ri vek phot u le